I wanted to get the first steps of this laptop project done, so I've got this Access database which I gave to you guys, and I showed a query. This pulls together all the information from the separate tables about a particular issue: the name of the student it was issued to, the name of the laptop that was issued to them, who the manufacturer was, and date issued, and so on. This can be viewed in SQL view, and then what I've done is I've gone into, well, you can go into Navicat, I went into MySQL Workbench, does the same thing, and I made exactly the same tables. They have to be named the same, because otherwise you end up having to go into this SQL and rename everything, which is super fiddly and annoying. So I went into SQL Workbench and created those tables, exactly the same tables. I added the same data in. That's all I needed to do. I didn't need to set up a relationship or a query or anything. Then I went into Visual Studio, and over here I grabbed the bare minimum that I could from our previous activity. So I grabbed the connection. I had to change the name of the database. That was all. I also grabbed the hello. I shouldn't really call it hello, should I? What should I call it? Index, maybe. And I used exactly the same stuff. The only thing I changed with this SQL, I copied and pasted this SQL from Access into here, and everything else I'm pretty sure was identical. Didn't change anything. Of course, I'd had to update my imports in this new project as well. And just to check that it worked, all I've done is I've looped through the results, and I wanted to see one piece of the data, and pretty sure that actually worked. Need to hit play, no, or probably something like that. And yeah, I've just got the names come up. It's just plain text, not even any HTML in there. But that's the trivial stuff, isn't it? To go into the HTML, add the bootstrap stuff, add in a table, and pull each one of these fields from the database and display them nice and neatly, and maybe with an edit button and a big add button and so on. So that's that first step of getting this to all work. Then the next step will be that we want to be able to add a new laptop issue. So we want to be able to select a student, we want to be able to select a laptop, and then click an add button. So that will be in the next video.